Hello guys, welcome to Excellence Biomedical Engineering. On today's video I'm going to show you guys how to switch this X-ray AMX4 into service mode. So I know you would want to switch to service mode because you want to calibrate your AMX4, maybe calibration of handle or calibration of the generator. So let's go. The steps are as follows. First of all, switch the circuit breaker, as you can see from here. Once you switch it up, and then the next thing is you check from the down where this where this handle is. So you could see there is a switch there, a toggle switch. You could see that it is at the top, so you toggle it down. When you toggle it down, and then the next thing you do is that you go, as you can see from this video now, I toggle it down. Then the next thing is I go to the switch and then switch it on. By so doing, it has entered service mode. So if you want to calibrate or you want to check the database access, or you want to calibrate the system, so this is how you switch it to service mode. So once you are done, let it be on end service mode, and then you press MAS down, and then after that you come back again, you toggle up that switch down there, after which then you switch it on and off again, okay, as it is showing. So once you're done with your service, that is how you turn it back to normal mode, or if you want to switch it to service mode for any calibration purpose or any purpose that needs service mode. Likewise, even in AMX4 Plus, that is how it is done. So thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe.